Sanbonani, Ninjani. How are you guys doing? I hope you're still having a good year. Hope you still have a good year, guys. On my side, there's nothing much to raise, nothing much to complain about, guys. Nothing much to complain about. We're still hustling, still trying to make the best of it, guys. Okay. Guys, today we're going to be dealing with chapter 10 of the Basic Conditions of Employment, which deals with the monitoring, enforcement, and legal proceedings. So we're going to do part A of the Basic Conditions of the chapter 10 of the Basic Conditions of Employment, which is the monitoring, enforcement, and legal proceedings. Okay, guys. All right, let's get to it, guys. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Please do share it on your social media platforms. Do share it. It can be Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. Those of you not yet subscribed, please do subscribe.